I am doing a big, very big giveaway, and I want to share with you all of the stuff that I'm giving away. First of all, this iridescent purple embossing powder by Hero Arts. Let me show you. Here is a sample of a card that I made. The sentiment, I can't get it to show the iridescent. There we go. So you just tilt it in one direction. It looks black because I stamped it with black ink, but then you tilt it in another direction and you have that purple iridescence. Very beautiful. This, let's see, we have, I think there's 27 mini ink pads by Impression Obsession, plus 2 refill bottles. And I am going to use 1, 2, 3 of the colors from here today. I'm using a 4th color that's not included in this, but you could use the periwinkle as a substitute for that. So that right there is about $90 worth of product. Then we have this big bundle of Hero Arts stamps. This is a stamp set with lots of sentiments that is great for tags, perfectly sized for tags and cards. Another stamp set by Hero Arts. They're all by Hero Arts. This is a cardinal and a wreath, some holly leaves, sentiments, another cardinal and a bow. And then, I don't know, I don't have the names. I have them on I bought another set of this bundle for myself, and I have the names of them, but I don't have the names of them. I just have the what do you call it, product number, the Hero Arts product number. So this is CM650, and it has these winter animals and holiday sentiments. This one I think is called the 12 Days of Christmas, and it has all of the numbers in numerical and in alpha format, and it has all of the characters for the 12 Days of Christmas, and then the names of all of the characters for the 12 Days of Christmas. And this is a set I'm going to use today, and this is Hero Art catalog or product number CM649, and we're going to do some silhouette stamping and use a few stamps on this. We'll stamp in black, and I'll do the sentiment in white. And 2 more that are included in this bundle of giveaway bundle are the Merry Christmas and the Season's Greetings stamp sets. So all of that is what I'm going to give away. In order to qualify for this giveaway, you must collect all of the secret words that I'm sharing in this video, and like my video, subscribe to my channel, and subscribe to my newsletter. Links to the entry form are in the description box below, and also a link to my newsletter is in the description box below.